Okay, hi guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing video for my albums that I collected just only, and the posters. I bought BAP, vixx, b1a4 and got7, and I got this from the seller. She always have a lot of goodies for me, and haha, she gave me boyfriend Kwang Min's mask. So happy. Ding ding, got7. Ah. Oh oh. Whoa, BAP sensibility album. So big, but it's pretty. What vixx? Actually, I'm so. And I got Gongchan. This is my bias. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to unbox this first. Vixx Voodoo doll. So, I hope to get Leo or N CD, printed CD. But this one has no poster already. Who is this? I got a yuck. Haha. Although he's not my bias, but it's okay. I thought I could get Leo or Ken or N. Oh, the photo book. Aduh. Ay. Hong Bin. Hong Bin again. Oh, it's with their lyrics. I think roughly show you guys because this thing is beautiful. Ha 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 ha. Is that help? Yeah, it's help. Now I'll do this b1a4. Who am I? I see other unboxing video. They say it's a bit different. The content is a bit different from the group. So I'm not sure, and I don't know the poster I pull. The poster I'll do it at the end of the video. So I'll open this. I think they will get this postcard for the special fan meet in event in Korea. But yeah, overseas fans are always the unluckiest of all. Carol. Gongchan. I chose Gongchan. This is the fan meeting. It's like postcard. But too bad I can't attend. Jin Young, Xian Yu. At first, when I see the picture for the album, I thought it was magazine. So I didn't want to buy. So I was waiting, but my friend told me it was an album. So I quickly bought it. Oh, so cool! The CD is here. Inside this little booklet, this little envelope. Ha ha ha. Look at this. I'll just roughly show you guys. and maybe I'll do a separate video on that for a more detailed look, because I don't want to waste time. Now left with BAP and got7. For got7, my bias is BAM, JB and JR, so I wish I can get one of those, but if I get others, so not bad. I hope to get Jackson actually. Okay, so I'll open this first. So cute. Okay. Well, the album is very unique. I wonder how am I gonna store this album. I got a little price tag. I think their track list. I like Playground. The song Playground is really good. Oh, how come mine all come out? I'm so excited. Oh my god, my wish came true. I got Jackson. Oh my god, he's so cute. Haha. And then their CD is in this little CD thing. The tag is cool. Oh, I realized their CD thing is also a star. Oh, hexagon they call it. Oh. Wow, their photo book is so small. Oh my god. This is damn cool. Can you see this? Wow. The track list. Lyrics. This is Mark. JR. Lyrics again. Jackson. JB. Lyrics again. Playground is the best song for this album. Who's this? Yu-gyung? How do you pronounce his name? Youngjae! He looks like Bang Yongguk. His smile from BAP. And their thanks to Bam. He's my ultimate. Oh yeah, I get to know got7 through YG's show Who Is Next, and I think Bam was in the rap group. Yeah, so from then on I've been waiting for JYP Trainee to debut, and finally got7 and JJ Project come back. Credit. Oh, that's all. And they got this genie ad thing here. Haha, Jackson! The Hongi. Oh, the little tag. got7. And now the most exciting part is BAP. I hope to get, since other album I had Jung-up and Yongguk, so now I hope to get Him-chan, Daehyun, Youngjae or Zel. But I hope to get Daehyun or Him-chan. Ta-da! I love this matoki. It's so cool. The side, this one. Oh, and it's, you know, flat magnet kind of thing. The track list, and I think this is the full-length album. Yeah, I think so. And it's flat. So now I shall see who I get. I hope to get group 1 because I saw people unboxing it, they had group photo card. So, photo card. Oh my god, I think I'm a jinx or what. What I say, I really get it. I say I either get Dahyun or Him-chan. Huh. And this, shit. Him-chan! I think I'm getting lucky. Lucky and luckier. And this is the CD. The CD is pretty. I love the color. Galaxy. Okay, now we'll go to the photo book. I can't believe I get Him-chan. My luck is coming. Okay, I'll just roughly go through. Lots of time. It's awesome. They are awesome. And now for the poster. This is the first time I get poster in tube. It's hard to open. Oh, wow. Oh. Stella even wrote my name. Oh my god, the first one I fed up was got7. Wow, it's huge. I wonder where am I gonna hang that. Poster for Who Am I? b1a4. It's so huge. I don't know where to put all these posters. Oh my god. My gosh. I'm definitely gonna hang this. I'm definitely gonna hang this. It's so nice. Oh my god. This is crazy. Okay, so I've come to the end of the unboxing. Crazy unboxing here. And these are the cards that I got. This one is from b1a4, BAP, and got7. Yeah, I'm crazy. Where's my BAP? So, oh, these are the albums that I got. Vixx, Voodoo Doll. Hey guys, this vixx album, if you don't have their previous album or anything, you can buy this because the tracks include hits from their debut album till now. So this is a rather cheap in a sense because all hits in one CD, including their new song. got7. This little tag so cute. Who Am I? And BAP Sensibility. First Sensibility. Oh, I don't know where to stock all this album, man. Okay, and these are the goodies. The best thing is this. Kwangmin! Dear Berry Vitamin B5 Mask Pack. It's a free gift. It's so wonderful. Kwangmin is awesome. Okay, I've come to the end of the unboxing, and thank you guys for watching, and maybe I'll do a separate video on each individual that I just unboxed, on their photo book or anything called that. Maybe only. And I'll do a collection update soon for my K-pop CD. And I still got one more EXO Growl China Press Kids version. I think it will arrive around mid-Feb or end Feb. Then I'll do an unboxing video. Thank you!